കേരള PSC മെക്കാനിക്കൽ ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ കേരള വാട്ടർ അതോറിറ്റിയുടെ 119/2015 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സുകളിലായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഏകദേശം 50ഓളം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ 51 മുതലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ഇഫ് എ കോൺട്രാക്ടർ ഈസ് ഇൻ ദ ഓപ്പൺ പൊസിഷൻ, the armature is at its greatest distance from the core and the impedance of the coil is options 0, low, high, option D, half the normal value. The right answer is option B, low. Next question. For a given VA rating, cross-section area of core will be less if the following metal is used: dynamo sheet, high alloy sheet, normal iron sheet, stalloy sheet. The right answer is option B, high alloy sheet. Which one of the following is not used for etching? Ferric chloride, cupric chloride, alkaline ammonia, carbon tetrachloride. And the right answer is option D, carbon tetrachloride. An AC or DC electric motor can be used to automatically charge the spring, to release the spring, to discharge the spring, to load the circuit breaker. Right answer is option A, charge the spring. 55th question. Air pollution is the least in this type of energy converter. Options: bioenergy converter, diesel generating sets, solar cell energy converter, thermal electric generating stations. And the right answer is solar cell energy converter. Next question. If a new vehicle is found that the negative terminal of the battery is earthed, this indicates the use of the following: DC generator, AC generator, ignition coil, inverter. And the right answer is option B, AC generator. Sweep of ceiling fan refers to radius of the circle formed by its rotation, double the length of the blade, distance from the center of motor to tip of blade, double the distance from center of motor to tip of blade. And the right answer is option D, double the distance from center of motor to tip of blade. Next question. In electrical accessories, the use of silver is at constant points, switch terminal, lamp terminal, wire. The right answer is option A, contact points. The instrument which can be classified as an absolute instrument is milliammeter, micrometer, galvanometer, tangent galvanometer. And the right answer is option D, tangent galvanometer. The rating of power factor improves capacitor is in microfarad, farad, kVAR, kVA. The right answer is option C, kVAR. A transistor is a dash operated device. Current, voltage, both voltage and current, none of the above. The right answer is option A, current. DC supply is essential for the operation of mercury vapor lamp, arc lamp, sodium vapor lamp, fluorescent lamp. Right answer is option B, arc lamp. Next question. The chatter in an AC relay magnet can be eliminated by using laminator, shading coil, U-shaped magnetic core, matching fixed and movable magnetic limbs. The right answer is option B, shading coil. In this wiring, 2 lamps should be switched on at a time. Tunnel wiring, hostel wiring, go down wiring, corridor wiring. The right answer is option C, go down wiring. For the alignment of the jobs in a lathe machine, we may require small angular movement of the chuck. This could be achieved by using controller with dynamic brake push button, regenerative brake push button, delay push button, jogging push button. The right answer is option D, jogging push button. Degaussing is the process of removing gases from a material, removing impurities from a magnetic material, demagnetizing a metallic part, demagnetizing a magnet. The right answer is option C, demagnetizing a metallic part. Next question. The HRC fuse is superior protective device as compared to circuit breaker and relay as far as electromagnetic stress are concerned, thermal stresses are concerned, both electromagnetic and thermal stresses are concerned, none of the above. The right answer is option C, both electromagnetic and thermal stresses are concerned. Which of the following material has a negative temperature coefficient of resistance? Carbon, brass, copper, aluminium. And the right answer is option A, carbon. Next question. By inserting reactance in a rotor circuit, reduce starting torque as well as maximum torque. Increasing starting torque by maximum torque remains unchanged. Increasing starting torque as well as maximum torque increases starting torque but maximum torque reduces. The right answer is option A, reduces starting torque as well as maximum torque. In three-phase power measurement by 2 wattmeter method, reading of the wattmeter found negative. Then the PF of the load is options 0.4 lagging, 0.5 lagging, 0.8 lagging, unity. And the right answer is option A, 0.4 lagging. Epoxy cable joint is used where HT cable joints. Heating of the cable is not permitted. Temporary joint, T joints only. The right answer is option B. Heating of the cable is not permitted. At the suction stroke in a reciprocating pump, the dash valve closes and dash valve opens. Foot not return, non-return foot, delivery suction, suction delivery. The right answer is option C, delivery suction. Voltage stabilizers have auto transformers in servo stabilizer is of core type, shell type, distributed core type, toroidal type. Right answer is option D, toroidal type. The repair factor of a capacitor filter may be decreased by decreasing RL, increasing C, increasing both RL and C. The right answer is option C, increasing C. On doubling the supply frequency, eddy current will become half their former value, become 4 times their former value, remains unaffected, becomes 8 times their former value. The right answer is option B, become 4 times their former value. If 3 persons take reading in horizontal placed meter at the same instance, whose reading is correct? The reading taken by the left hand side person, reading taken by the middle person, reading taken by the right hand side person, reading taken by the third person simultaneously, 3 persons simultaneously. The right answer is option B, the reading taken by the middle person. If the end of the shaft of a grinder motor turned blue, it is an indication of overheating, scoring, freezing, burring. The right answer is option A, overheating. Next question. In black cotton soil where water level is encountered within the pole pit, it is better to use concrete foundation, earthen foundation, embankment only, mass concrete and embankment. The right answer is option D, mass concrete and embankment. For testing insulation resistance, the most suited electrical supply is alternating current, direct current, pulsating current, oscillating current. Right answer is option B, direct current. When an electric train moves down a hill, the DC series motor then acts as DC shunt motor, DC shunt generator, DC series motor, DC series generator. Right answer is option D, DC series generator. Thank you all.